Hello, everyone. Peter here. I want to start today with a hard truth. For millions of Americans, the traditional promise of retirement is broken. The numbers are staggering. More than half of working Americans feel that they are way behind on their retirement savings. The average 401k for a person in their 40s, 50s, or 60s is dismal. It's a crisis. Most people think that you only have two choices. You try to save more, which is often impossible, or take a huge risk in the stock market to catch up, which is to me gambling. But I'm here to tell you today that there is a third path. And this is why I say multifamily is the new retirement. And it's not about taking bigger risks. It's about taking smarter, more controlled risks to create a predictable income stream that can fund your retirement that you deserve. Let's get started. All right, let's get started right here. The first thing I want to do is I want to redefine risk. Okay. Get this out of your head that high risk equals high reward. That does not apply in the way we do business with multifamily. Okay. Some people or most people think about their 401k like a slot machine. They put money in every month, pull the lever, hoping 30 years later they have enough to retire. To me, that is retirement gambling, which is not smart at all. Okay. That is not how you manage risk. For us, as a multifamily expert, we see risk as the amount of unknown. Okay. So, simply put, my job is to eliminate those unknowns as a multifamily expert for myself and for my students so that I have or we have a predictable outcome so that when we have a property profit, cash flow, forced depreciation is not about luck. Okay. It's about having knowledge and control. So the more knowledge you have, the more cash flow you can create, and the more depreciation appreciation you can create, and the more control you have, the you can create the cash flow, and cash flow becomes a calculation, not a gamble. Okay, you'll always hear me say that the greatest deals are not found; they are created. We create them because guess what? Of our knowledge that we have on how to create these deals and the controls we put around the property, these levers to create more cash flow, to create more depreciation, and to create a powerful exit from the property. If you understand this part, this is how you turn your multifamily into a pension. Got it? All right, let's go to number two. Got questions? Simply text the word Peter to 833-942-4516 and we'll help you. Here is the second reason why multifamily is the new retirement. Okay. And it doesn't matter if you're buying a 2 unit, a 4 unit, a 12 unit, or a 100 unit. It all applies to what I'm about to share here. Okay. So the second point I want to make is you're built when you buy and invest in multifamily, what you're doing is you're building a retirement on a basic human need. Okay. The basic human needs are air, food, drink, clothing, warmth. And the last one is shelter. Okay. Shelter. So multifamily provides a non-negotiable human need, which is shelter. Okay. Now, your 401k can crash, right? New technologies can become obsolete, but we all need, fill in the blank, a place to live. Okay. So when you buy multifamily, you are buying into something that's always in demand. People always need a place to live. Okay. Now, look at here's the let me back this up with the stat here. The United States is currently 4 million homes short from satisfying our demand. Okay. There is not enough supply in the United States to meet all the demand. In fact, we're about 4 million homes short. Will that ever be satisfied? Probably not. Okay. With the high inflation and how expensive things are, to build new housing and new apartments, it's gonna be very, very difficult, if not impossible, in our lifetime. Okay. Lastly, your multifamily becomes your retirement paycheck. Okay. So you are investing in something that's always needed, right? And it doesn't fluctuate as it would with the stock market, 401k, crypto. Okay. It is rock solid based upon what we all need, a place to live. All right. Let's go to point number three.
Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Get mentored by me and my team by applying to be our next protege. Click the top corner.
All right. We're going to end right here with the most powerful one, and that is control. What if you bought stock in a company and the CEO has an affair with the HR secretary, right? The stock will be affected, probably down. What if the CFO embezzles money for the last 13 years? No one knew about it. Now it's all public news. Guess what happens? Stock's going to go down. You have no control. You have zero control. When you buy a multifamily property, okay, which is the new retirement, you have control. In fact, you have two types of control that gives you almost total control. The first control is called the financial control. So when you own a multifamily, guess what? You determine what the rents are. You can pay the expenses yourself. You determine what those are. Thus, you have control of the net operating income. And as you know from all my trainings, as the NOI goes up, so does the value of the property. You're able to force the appreciation yourself. Okay. So as you force the appreciation and the value goes up, guess what? You have many options. You get more cash flow. You can do a cash out refi. You can sell. You can do many things. Okay. With this property, if you had a 401k, it doesn't matter how much the NOI goes up, right? You don't have these options. The second thing that happens as the NOI goes up is you increase the cash flow, right? So if your stock, you have no control over the cash flow of your stock. Okay. The people who own the company do. You're just passive. Okay. You're just in a driver's seat. You're not the pilot. The second type of control you have is what we call asset control. You control the property. You get six types of controls when you own a multifamily property that you don't get with a 401k or stock or mutual fund or crypto. Okay, here's what you get. You can control the income, as I mentioned. You can control the expenses. You can control how much debt you put on the property. When you own a stock and the company decides to put more debt, you have no say whatsoever. Okay. And that additional debt could sink the company or sink the stock. You get control over multifamily if you want to be in more debt or less debt. This is probably the most important one. You have control over the management. If you are not happy how things are being managed on your asset, okay, you can fire them. You can't do that with the stock. Okay. Now, this is also important. This is insurance. When you invest in a 401k, you're buying multiple stocks. Do you have insurance? What if the companies go out of business? What if they burn down? What if something happens to the company? Do you have insurance just in case of loss? You don't. With a multifamily, you have lots of insurance. So if it burns down, guess what? The insurance company is going to give you money to rebuild it bigger and better. You don't get that with the 401k. And lastly, you have the choice of when it's time to exit. Okay. You can execute an exit strategy. With the 401k, you don't know when the company is going to go public or sell. But when you own your multifamily property, you have control of that. Got it? Okay, so I say the best for last to convince you that multifamily is the new retirement. Because when you have financial control, asset control, you get none of this. Okay, you get none of that with the 401k, with stocks, with mutual funds, with cryptos, etc. Okay, so multifamily and commercial in general is the only investment that I know of where you get income, you get appreciation and depreciation, which are all the wonderful tax benefits that you don't get when you do other investments. Got it? All right. So I'm going to wrap it up here Now, if you think you're in crisis, what I want you to think is when you do multifamily, you have three things going for you. Number one, you're going to replace the gamble with the calculation. I just showed you that. Number two, you're going to invest in something with a human need, which is shelter. And number three, you have total control. Got it? All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video on the multifamily is the new retirement. Do me a favor, click the like button. If you want to get more videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and we'll push them your way. Thank you so much, and I'll see you at the next video.
Would you like to work with me? Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Learn more about my protege program right here.